Welcome to Kongsbury. I'm wandering along the banks of the River Yeo today. Come and join me. I'm actually on the Strawberry line. It's route 26, goes all the way from Kongsbury to Cheddar or Yatton. I'll have to bring the go bike down at some point and then we'll do a little cycling video, but for now I've found a quiet spot. I said quiet spot and then there's a great big aeroplane going off to the airport. EasyJet. Never mind, we'll carry on. Anyway, I thought we'd go for some tiffin today. Me cooker and cooking utensils and water bottle and everything are in this pocket. We're going for the pocket stove today. If you're not familiar with these, they're made by Backpacking Light in England. They're a great little stove if you just want a small cook up. Got a lighter, some tongs, spork and a cup. This is the titanium version. It's really easy to set up. I've also got a speedster stove in there. It's just got a small opening because I don't need much of a flame. If you've not seen one of these before, it's like a lot of other little stoves you can buy, and it's just 4 pieces to make a square. As I don't need a load of fuel and it's a small aperture on there, I'm just going to put an ounce or so in the bottom of my little cup. These are really useful if you're going out and you just want to use small amounts of alcohol. I find this a lot tidier as well. I don't splosh it everywhere with this little spout. Sometimes when you get these and you pour them out, they kind of like dribble everywhere, wasting fuel. In here I've got some pita bread and I've pre-spread it with some garlic butter and some herbs. Bottom half I'm going to use as a little cooking pan. I've got this tarka dal today. I never get on very well with these. I end up with a big bleh everywhere. Let's give it a go. Plan B. Good old Swiss Army knife, you can't beat it. Lovely job. I thought I'd take the lid from that and put it on there while it cooks. That was a dumb idea, because it only fits on that one because he's recessed in. There's no recess on that one. I was reading online about Tiffin Tins. Apparently in Mumbai they have chaps called dabblewallers, and they go and they deliver like lunch for lots of people in larger Tiffin Tins. Apparently dabblewallers, they deliver about 200,000 lunches a day in Mumbai. Now that beats the crap out of Deliveroo. I'd like to go to India one day, sample what they've got to offer and do my own bit of cooking. If I ever go, I'd like you all to come along with me. Be a great journey. I thought we would go for some lime cordial today. Lunch is done. Lovely bit of chilli in there. That ounce of fuel still going. It's very efficient. I got chatting to a local chap who told me about some new spots to go to. So I'll give them a visit at some point. That's me pita with garlic butter. Let's try this out. That's absolutely lovely. To be honest with you, I didn't know how well this little stove would work with the little tiny Tiffin tin. The only issue I've had is that putting the Tiffin tin on top of such a small stove, it kind of slides around a bit. I've been chasing it around a bit, but I managed to keep it on, so it was alright. Hopefully this video's been released on time, because as you're watching this, I'll be away on a little jolly. So if you're on Instagram and you want to know what I'm up to, if I can work out how to do it, I'll leave a link for my Instagram page underneath, and I'll post a load of photos, etc. as I go around if you're interested. The Instagram's kind of experimental for me. I don't know if it's really going to work out or not, but I thought I'd just mention it, and then as a kind of proper test run, I'll keep updating it as I go along over the next few days. It's time to find out if this is a pepper or a chilli. Wish me luck. Chilli. There's a little bit of staining on the bottom, but it's nothing to worry about. Just wipe off. I usually bring extra kitchen roll with me so I can get rid of any trace that I was here. Clean everything up. Well, I've had lunch. I've had a chat to a local who showed me where to go for some places. Fantastic information. And that little 1 ounce of fuel is still going. I can't believe it. If you're interested at all in the little speedster stove, or where I got the backpacking light stove from, I'll leave a couple of links in the description if it helps you. Thanks for joining me today. It's been lovely to have your company. I'll see you in the next one. InfoZhed out.